Hello traders. I hope you are doing well. So today I am going to share with you Forex powerful trading strategy. First we open a UDCHF in 15-minute time frame. This strategy we need two indicators. First 50 period EMA. And second OBV indicator. If market below 50 period EMA, with extra confirmation OBV indicator cross black middle line downward, then we take a sell trade. Here is sell signal confirmation. We place sell trade here. Set stop loss previous candle high point. Set profit target 1:2. We won this trade. If market above 50 period EMA, with extra confirmation OBV indicator cross black middle line upward, then we take a buy trade. Here is buy signal confirmation. We place buy trade here. Set stop loss previous low point. Set profit target 1:2. We won this trade. If you like my strategy, please like and share this video and subscribe to ForexLia.